Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin camper along with Zena the Glamper camper. Today we're just enjoying the outdoors and we wanted to show you these super cute outdoor pillows. They would be great for camping. Now I got two different colors of these pillows. Here is the nice blue one, light blue. And now this one, on their website, it's called navy. The picture looked black, so I didn't think it was actually navy, but it is a dark navy blue with the white patterns in it. Zena's exploring. These pillows are extremely high quality. They have a very, very thick texture, and I love these little ruffly accents. The ruffles on the light blue one are a lot bigger. Now I originally got these to put in my backyard, and I really want to get some more to just leave in my car and have in the camper, but sadly they are sold out. One of my favorite features about them is this right here. This works as a handle so that you can just kind of carry them around. Now the navy pillow is really striking. It has almost a checkerboard pattern where the ruffles are, and then a really intricate diamond shape that goes in between the ruffles. And I love the navy blue. Now the teal pillow has really beautiful striping and has large rectangular stripes of ruffles. I really like the simplicity of just the teal with the white.
Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified every time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and have a great one.
Do you like those pillows?